Have you ever struggled to make your video posts stand out on social media? Do you want to learn a secret to boost your SEO and engagement effortlessly? In today's episode, we will show you how to use ChatGPT to create compelling video descriptions and perfect hashtags that will make your content pop. So stay tuned because this trick will revolutionize how you post your videos online. Welcome to episode 6 of Concept to Video Content. If you joined us before, we've gone over script lighting, audio, teleprompter, trimming, clips, captions, transitions, removing the background, adding filters, and enhancing the audio. And today, we're going to use ChatGPT to add great accompanying text for your video description for social media, along with hashtags. Adding accompanying text to a video post is essential, and it is great for SEO to give those viewing your content a reason to watch the video. And of course, hashtags will help them find your video if they don't already follow you. So let's jump right in. Now I've created custom scripts for ChatGPT for video description generating. You can screenshot this script from my phone here and then copy paste it into ChatGPT, or if you are one of our agents, just shoot me a message in the comments below and I'll send you the prompts I use. Once you have pasted the prompt, you want to locate your script for your video and copy paste it below the prompt, like this. Now just click the arrow to run your prompt and voila, you have great description text and hashtags to go with your post. You can also tweak these to better fit for Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This trick will save you a bunch of time trying to summarize your video idea into a concise but interesting video caption. Just make sure you read through the created text to double check it, make sure it matches your message. It's a great aid, but it doesn't always understand exactly what you're trying to highlight. So from here, you can go ahead and schedule your video on Facebook Meta for posting. For now, jump in, share your progress, tap into Sellstate Alliance's supportive community for growth, and feel free to drop your questions below. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember, success starts here with Sellstate Alliance Realty.